Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Manvi Ginni. So today we are making DIY easy friendship day gift. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So for this you will need some designer sheets, some photos, a jute string and 2 jump rings. Firstly, take a sheet and cut in the following dimensions. Now fold the sheets into half as shown. Rearrange the sheets the way you like. Paste this side of the sheets with double-sided tape or Fevicol. Punch 2 holes on this side of the sheets. Now file the sheets in jump rings to make a mini album. Decorate the pages of album with photos, stickers or write something of your choice. You can even place photos inside small folders as I did. You can customize your album according to your choice or preferences. For a cover, take a sheet and cut in the following dimensions. Now fold the sheet in given dimensions. Now take the album and place it in the middle of the cover to mark ring positions and cut them. Now take out the last page of the album and paste it on the cover as shown. Attach the rest album with last page. Set the rings in the holes of the cover as shown and close both the flaps of the cover. Now take the jute string and a tag and tie it around the cover like this. And it's done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video now. Bye.